You gotta have an Oxygen. It's the best helmet on the market. What's going on, boys and girls? Mike here from Sledaddicz, bringing you guys another exciting video today. Been really interested in trying out this other helmet this year. So I got my hands on the new BRP Oxygen. This is the carbon fiber version of the helmet, which we've been running for years, that we already love. So, you know, now with the carbon fiber version, you get a stronger composite shell with this one, and it's certainly a lighter weight version. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Let's take a look at this helmet. Oh yeah, absolutely stoked. Let's take a look at the BRP Oxygen carbon fiber model. Oh, that's the cord. Get rid of that. Now I did see it at the show, and I know there are definitely a couple of differences between this and the other one. Oh yeah, beautiful. Nice, super subtle carbon fiber pattern on it. Get those off. So right away, couple of things that I see with the carbon fiber. So obviously the carbon fiber is going to be a lot kind of lighter than the other one. So this is a lightweight M-Forge composite material that they use for the helmet. You've got your, just like you had on the other one, you've got your built-in sun visor as well, which is awesome. And the thing we loved about this helmet was this whole area up here is heated, so that sun visor is always staying unfogged, which is amazing. I gotta say, the inside of this helmet feels fantastic. It's got like this, almost like a suede material that's really nice. So the other cool thing too that I noticed with this one that's different than previous model Oxygens is it's got kind of a, it's a double neck curtain. So you can see this one's zippered on the back. So there's kind of like a rear, but then also the front. Usually with the other Oxygen helmets, you always typically would get that front one. And the other thing that's cool with it too, is the front one now has like this little zipper on this one too. And that's just a vent. So you can actually let some air in through the neck area if it gets a little too warm. So excited to definitely try that. Definitely nice addition to an already amazing helmet that we've put tons of miles on already. Same thing, you've got your magnetic connection for your linq. Super lightweight. I think this one comes in at 1,850 grams, they're saying, for this. So I mean, that is the first thing that you're going to notice right away. I didn't find the other ones too heavy to begin with, but certainly the carbon fiber version is a lot lighter. So you've got your you know, the NCS, the noise control system as well. And that to me was probably one of the bigger features, just for guys that are, you know, Jesse and I are always using the communicators. Our group runs the Cardo Pack Toques, and these things work phenomenal for soundproofing and also for just being able to really clearly hear with those, you know, those earmuffs that sort of are going around in your communicator speakers sitting on the inside. I think that's really a unique, probably one of the biggest unique features for the Oxygens in general. So the carbon obviously has that. Our other ones had that as well. Definitely one of the most amazing features for sure. And then again, no different than the other one. You've got some venting options as well. Up front, you've got the two vents that you can adjust there, and if you want to allow some more air in. So that's a first look at the new Oxygen Carbon. Definitely stoked to give this a try. It's a newer helmet for this year, and yeah, excited to put it to use on the trail. And towards the end of the year, we'll give you guys a full review on the Oxygen Carbon. What we're also going to do is we're going to put together a Battle of the Carbon video. So you're going to see us, compare this really closely to the Mission Carbon, which I've also picked up for this season. So stay tuned. You're definitely not going to want to miss that one.
Round one, fight!
We'll see you guys on the next one.
If you like that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sledaddicz YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiling. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.